Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go to the barn. Good boy. Good boy, Jerry Lee. Good boy, buddy. Hey, pretty boy. Come on. Look at you. Good boy. Oh, quit that. Come on, get your head up, Dad. Come on. Look at him. Look at him. Good boy. Hey, pretty guy. Shall we go have some food? What do you think? What do you think? Got that out. A little lazy. Come on, good boy. What's the matter, Jess? You think it's time for evening feeds? Well, let's go. Hi, big guy. Hi, big guy. I don't think there's any more. I think you're about done there, buddy. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, fella. Yeah, buddy. Getting up close and personal with your nose there. Hi, pretty boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. No, you can't eat the camera. Can't eat the camera, big guy. Can't eat the camera. Alright, why don't you guys go back out the pasture, see if you can break into a trot this time. What you got going? What are you trying to figure out? Sure are a pretty boy.